Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your content with Medium easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your content to Medium, first, log in to your Medium account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or a social media account. Next, identify the content you want to transfer. This could be blog posts, articles, or any written material you want to share on Medium. Once you have your content ready, open a text editor or your preferred writing tool. Copy the text of your first article. Now, return to Medium and navigate to your profile. Click on the Write a Story button located at the top right corner of the page. In the editor that opens, paste your copied content. Medium offers formatting options, so take a moment to adjust the appearance of your text as needed. Add a title to your article by entering it in the designated title field at the top of the page. Next, include any relevant tags by scrolling down to the Add Tags section. Tags help categorize your article and improve its discoverability. After you've edited and tagged your content, review it for any final adjustments. Once satisfied, look for the Publish button located at the top right corner. Click Publish to share your article with the Medium community. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to set preferences for visibility and notify your followers. Choose your preferences and then click the Publish Now button. Congratulations, your content is now successfully transferred to Medium. Repeat these steps for each additional piece of content you wish to move. With practice, this process will become quicker and easier. You can explore Medium's features like adding images and embedding links to enrich your articles further. Happy writing and sharing on Medium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.